What? Oh, yeah? You want your water? Come on. Is that what you want? Come here. No. No. That's their pumpkin. Good. Here. Is that what you want? Good boy. Is that why you're yelling at me? Huh? You're sassy. Oh, you were just hungry, huh? Were you just hungry? Oh, good boy. Here, you want some num-nums? Here you go. Oh, good boy. You were just hungry, huh? You're like, Mom, feed me, huh? Good boy. I used to do this for you when you were a baby, huh? Yeah, when you first came, I slept with you on the ground in the living room while you were in your little fenced-in area, huh? Those were the days. Good boy. Yeah, you're just hungry, aren't you? Your color's on weird. Good boy. Look. It says Mama says I'm special. Huh? Is that what that says? Mama says I'm special. Good boy. You're definitely special, all right. Good boy. You were just hungry.